Hi guys, today I am going to be showing you how you can crop an image into a circle using Photoshop. It's actually quite straightforward once you know how, so let's jump right into this video. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just add a picture into our Photoshop. I've got this one just here of some luggage. So we're just going to use this image, and what we're going to do is we are going to basically crop it into a circle. Now over on the far left hand side you have your menu option, and what you're looking for is this one right here. This is the frame tool. If you give that a click, and then at the very top here you'll have this little contextual area open up. You've got things like squares, rectangles, circles, triangles, and of course random shapes. We want to crop it into a circle, so we're going to click the circle button, and then what we're going to do is we're going to click anywhere on the picture, usually top left hand corner. We're going to click here, and then using the shift key, holding the shift key down, we're going to drag this diagonally, okay, until it finishes down here. We're going to let go, and then what we're going to end up with is this cropped image. Now we can go ahead and move the background image inside of that circle to get exactly what you're looking for, to finish that off. And then once we kind of go ahead and click on our move tool option, click off of it, we can now go ahead and move this image wherever we want. We can also of course resize it if we wanted to as well, and do all of those good things. So yep guys, it's honestly as easy as that to essentially crop an image into a circle using Photoshop. If you found this useful and it worked for you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and consider subscribing of course for staying up to date with everything that we do here on the channel.